Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I just came back from a trip to New York, and I went to Port of Syracuse to test drive the new 718 Boxster. Now, I'd like to tell you all that I got excellent footage of that test drive, but I didn't. So, here's more footage of the Mustang after an alignment and aluminum bushings. As you can see, there's clearly been some decent progress made, and I'd also like to tell you that I kept really good track of those time slips, but I didn't. So I'm just going to tell you guys that they're all around 12.4, and here's the video. I guess you could just shadow play it anyway, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I just came back from a trip to New York, and I went to test drive a... Hold on. I went to test... God dang it, no, that's not what I actually typed. I went to Porsche... Okay, see? I'm doing it, but you keep butting in there.
What?
How do actors work? Alright. I went to Porsche of
Whenever you're ready,
Syracuse,
dude.
and... I went to... Alright, somebody's making a lot of noise in the background, and I can't do this. I can't work under these conditions.